Hello, today I will show you how to make animations for the specific tile from your tile set. So for example, do you see this rock here? It's looking cool, right? Let's make this foam around the rock. Let's move rock to the asset folder. And now we're gonna attach it to the object tilemap tileset, okay? So before, in the last lecture, we created what? A scene as a tree. And we could paint it as a different object. And this solution is needed when you want to apply something later, for example, chopping, right? You want to be able to chop this tree, so you want to interact with it. But in case of rocks that you are not going to interact, you do not need to create different scene for just rocks, right? You can just put them here inside a tile set like that, right? And I'm not gonna use the automatic creation for Atlas this time, because by the default, as you can see, the texture region is set to 16 by 16, which is just too small for the tile set we are using. So let's change it to 128 to 128. And as you can see, now we have got big squares that allows you to choose specific position here. And now it's very important. We do not choose all tiles. We just choose the first tile, the starting position of our animation. Then we go into the select mode. We choose this tile. And here you have got a animation. And you need to now say how many columns our animation is gonna be animated from, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So we have 8 columns, and now we need to attach each frame. How do we do it? We go into frames, and here when I add element, as you can see, we added the element one after another, as you can see. Okay, one more. And now we can paint them, but before you close it, you need to know one more thing, so do not close this lecture. Notice that when I paint it, the animation is very, very slow. But why? Notice that the duration for each frame is 1 second. I could manually change each of that frame to something smaller, but what if I decide to change, it again because I didn't like it? So I'm gonna change it 8 times then? No, that's too slow. That's why you can specify the speed. So right now it's like 1 divided by 1, which is 1. If you put here 2, it's like 1 divided by 2, so it's 0.5 seconds, right? And if we type here, for example, 10, as you can see, the animation is now fluid because it is just 1.10 seconds for each frame, right? And that's looking good right now. And yeah, that's it. We can now paint easily rocks, and we can, look at them, how beautiful they are.